Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 100/200ths to a decimal. To convert the fraction 100/200ths to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. Before we divide, we can simplify the fraction by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common divisor, which is 100. When we simplify 100/200ths, we get 1/2. Now, let's convert 1/2 to a decimal. So, we simply divide 1 by 2. The answer we get is 0.5. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 1 as the dividend and 2 as the divisor. Since 2 doesn't fit into 1, we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 1, making it 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? Exactly 5 times. We write 5 after the decimal point in the quotient. Multiplying 5 by 2 gives us 10. When we subtract 10 from 10, we get a remainder of 0. So, there we have it. The fraction 100/200ths simplified to 1/2 converted to a decimal is 0.5. This conversion process demonstrates a simple way to understand and represent fractions in decimal form, especially after simplifying them. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.